Hey everybody, this is Loretta again with Cooking It Up Country Style, and I've got a delicious dessert for us today, 4-layer lemon delight, and I think this is something you will really enjoy. This is a classic Southern recipe, and it's probably been passed around for years now, but I just wanted to share this with you because it's one of my favorite things. Now, the first thing you want to do, there's not a whole lot of cooking involved in this, except you do have to cook your crust. Now, you need 1 cup of plain flour, a half a cup of finely minced nuts, pecans is what I used in this, and a stick of butter or a half a cup melted. And you mix that together and press it down into your pan and bake it at 375 for about 15 or 20 minutes until it's brown and it's completely cool. So this is what I've done right here. So the next layer that you want to put on there, this is our first layer. Our second layer will be cream cheese, confectionate sugar, and Cool Whip. So here you go with your 8 ounces of cream cheese. And let's start our machine up here. It's probably going to be okay, you want that softened to room temperature because you don't want lumps in your dessert here. And then we have 1 cup of confectionate sugar. We want to incorporate that really well into our cream cheese. I will say, on this dessert, if you don't like lemon, you can just substitute the lemon pudding with chocolate. And I have done that also. I have a 4-layer chocolate delight, but this is really good too if you love lemon, as I do. I really love it. And the next thing we're going to use is Cool Whip. Now, I have a 16-ounce container of Cool Whip here, and I'm going to use about half of it into this mixture and save the other half for the top. So I'm just about got that ready. Okay, now let's just kind of spoon in about half of this 16-ounce container of Cool Whip. And I think that's about half. And here we go. And this will be your second layer. Okay. All right. Layer number 2. I happen to be making this for a church lunch tomorrow. One of our friends having Pastor Appreciation Day, and so we've been invited. My husband's been invited to speak. And I might add, I am a preacher's wife, so you see, I gotta have a 9 by 13 pan. That's what they say in it. All church ladies gotta have a 9 by 13 casserole pan. Okay. And then you just spread this out really evenly and well. That looks really good. Okay, the next step will be our lemon pudding layer. And what you're going to add is two containers, 3 ounce, I believe it is, boxes, 3.4 ounces of lemon pudding, instant. You want instant. And 3 cups of whole milk. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, now I'm just going to whisk this around until it starts to thicken. Take just a minute. And this will be our 3rd layer. This would also be a great dish for coming up Thanksgiving, all of our dinners and get-togethers and Christmas things we're having. Okay, we're almost there. To get thick.
This is a little bit better because it has the smoothness and creaminess, but I still love you, name Catch a new Pop-Tarts at a show seating this Monday.
For as little as $5 a day, can help save the veggie. Get 2 delicious Hardee's original roast beef sandwiches for just $5. Because it tastes better.
Okay, and this is thickened up really well. And we just want to spoon this over as our 3rd layer. Okay. That looks really good. Now, the last thing we want to do, which is our 4th layer, is just to use the Cool Whip that we have left for our 4th layer.
The fastest and easiest way to save on new Nissans.
Okay, we just about got it. Here we go. Just spread it on out there. You're going to have the beautiful dessert that they think that you've spent hours on.
Artie's new 2-3 more menu makes breakfast on the go easy. 2 cinnamon and raisin biscuits or a sausage biscuit, $2. Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, $3. Artie breakfast platter, $4. Because mornings are better on autopilot. Artie's new 2-3 more menu.
Dixie Electric Plumbing and Air. Best defense against our company.
I'm not perfect as far as that. But it's going to be pretty. Whatever we do. Okay, now if you want to use nuts on the top of this as a topping, you can do that. So we're going to let this set just a little bit and we'll come back and we're back and we've let this sit for a while. And this is what it looks like when we're completed. And I've sprinkled nuts on top, and if you like those, they're optional. You can kind of garnish it with nuts, pecans. And I've dipped out a little bit here, so we're going to try it, okay?
Second effort by Whitlow might have gotten in there.
That's delicious. You got to try it. Okay. Thank you for coming by today, and let me share this recipe with you. And hope you have a great day, and until we cook again, God bless you.